Good morning.
Antok pa yun, oh. Uy, antok. Ayan, Star City. Nang dahil sa Star City. Ayan. 4:30 a.m. Hello, guys. Good morning.
Hello.
I will go now to Star City. Ha? Nighttime? Di, morning na tayo. Mag-aimat.
Ayun na, nighttime ma.
Saan?
There. At the window.
Dark pa kasi. You will go now to Star City? Ha?
Because cannot work. Cannot work.
Wala naman, hindi naman tayo mag-work.
Wow!
Wow, MM. Ang forma naman ng baby natin. Wow, turn around. Uy, ang forma.
Yes, mouse.
Okay, yun na, baby. Hello, followers.
Power.
How old are you now?
3 years old. 4 years old.
4 years old na kailan? Monday.
Happy birthday!
Thank
My dinosaurs.
Okay na, tara na, harap na, baby. Bye-bye, followers.
Bye.
Kiss, dali. Kiss. Bye-bye. Yay!